Mood tool. In this tool, you can choose LUT or LUT, lookup tables. It means there are file or there are profile. If you choose it, for example, if you want to cinematic toning, creative, it gives you a different, you can go in most over them. It gives you a different color, brightness, saturation that are be ready for your scene. As you can see, it can change it if you're going most over there. Or cinematic, you can see there are different lighting, color. If you want, you can directly with one click them and choose between them. Nice. They are changing the color, tuning, saturation. They are lookup table LUTs. Or you can add custom LUT files from your internet. You can download or purchase any LUT file and install them. For example, we can come here to a different scene. Yeah, for example, this, go into the edit, and again, mood tool. You can choose, for better understanding your mood, you can bring amount at 100%. It means 100% that LUT file will be given to the file. You can see we have a different color, different saturation and properties. You can choose between them. For example, this mode, you can bring give 100% of that LUT file or 0% of that. It come back to original image or come back to this profile here. Or here you can change manually the contrast of that, the difference between the color, I mean, or more sature or more washout colors. If you go in saturation to the 0, it's completely come back to black and white. Or you can come back to original. And here in action, you can revert the original if you want. This is mood tool. You can download lookup table files, LUT, and use them. Again, in each of these files, they'll have a different light, different saturation, contrast, lighting that are ready. These are presets that you can use them. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.